This election is about who can really change things and who will continue to change versus those who oppose change for the better. The objective of politics is to take power away from people who prevent good things from happening and give it to people who can make good things happen. You have a choice to make. The people of Jamaica, the thinking people of Jamaica, not those who have a hereditary bias. Hold on here, my friend. Hold on here, my friend. The choice you have is to ensure that the people who can really change Jamaica get your vote.